Jake Belmonte, Julius Mateo, John Mark Garole, Roxelina, Jordan Peralta, Anthony Beno, Jason Garole, Ronald Blue, Sander Rex Dixon, Isagan Kalima, and Jules Luntayaw. And of course, another characters for this celebration. Again, thank you so much to all our friends. Jerry Cruz, Diana Alcantara, Angelique Ika, Jenny Ortuya, Love J. Pascual, Hannah Kini Contao, Erwin Padilla, Trisha Ray Danluga, John Ruin Soriano, Sherilyn Garcia, Santa Nina de Leon, Ian Kayla